700 RPMs. Been idle. Number 6 cylinders. Give it a flick. Now I advanced the distributor as much as it'll go. Didn't touch the RPMs, jumped up to 1100. Oil pressure went up 20, 30. Vacuum is at a steady 17. Took the idle back down to 700 with it advanced the way it was. Doesn't seem to like low idle. We'll take it up to about 900, see what it does. So now we're looking at 900. There's the oil pressure. 900 RPMs. Putting it in reverse or in gear only puts me at almost 550, and it sputters.